Bon dia! Let me share with you the current facilities of Peacock Imaging. Everything you see here has been printed with the new HP Latex-630 printer, as well as cut with this latex contour cutter. Everything includes the wall coverings. These wall coverings that look like wood have been printed with the new latex printer, as well as these textiles that we have in this wall over here also has been printed with this latex printer over here, as well as all these walls that you will see all over the room. So we are now in the production area, but I have prepared also a showroom to make sure that I am able to show to our customers everything that this printer is capable to do. Applications that range from indoor to outdoor. Applications like stickers, floor graphics, vehicle wrapping, posters, and many more. All that I'm going to share to you today in the next minutes. So let's get started. Let's start with all the application in this corner, the kilometer organic corner, which is mainly around a supermarket, mainly around stickers. And we created here stickers with just color inks on self-adhesive paper. We also created stickers with polypropylene, and in order to make sure that our customers realize how sharp is the text that we can achieve with these new printheads. And we also created these stickers with just color inks to ensure that you all could see how vivid are the colors of the new Gen 4 inks. But we use not only color inks, we also use white ink. And we created these stickers over here in what is known as white spot mode, where we have white, we don't have color, where we have color, we don't have white. We also created stickers with white ink on this transparent material, and here we use the underfoot mode, which means that first we had a layer of white and then a layer of color on top. With a transparent material, but also we can use that underfoot mode with this metallized material. Again, first the white and then the color on top. So another application that we also created for this corner was these ones over here, created with transfer material. We just printed, contour cut, and transfer onto this bag, or we transfer into this apron. We also created a lot of signage. Signs like this banner over here, like this mounted paper poster we see on top. And also we created a lot of posters with bond paper, posters with coated paper. Another very different application is wrapping. We wrap all these shelves with a wrapping film that we printed and we laminated instantly, thanks to the HP latex technology. Same material is the one that we use to wrap this delivery box. And again, thanks to this instant lamination, we were able to print, laminate, and install. And as you know, HP latex inks are flexible, so there is no cracking when doing this installation. And we also took advantage of this instant lamination when doing these floor graphics over here. First, this floor graphic to have a promotion, and then this floor graphic for decoration. In both cases, we use a self-adhesive vinyl, which then we laminated instantly, and then we installed over here. So let's now go through this other business, e-mobility business, where we created applications for outdoor and applications for indoor. And let's start over here. You can see a light box for outdoor, a light box that has been done with a self-adhesive vinyl laminated. And here we also created this outdoor sign with a self-adhesive vinyl that has also been laminated. We have also created this floor graphic. It's a floor graphic with a self-adhesive vinyl laminated with a special over laminate for outdoors. Then once we are inside this business, we can see a lot of different signs here. Signs that are hanging from the ceiling, signs that done with textile, with non-porous textile, like a cotton textile in fact. This is another cotton material. We have here polyester and another polyester. So the wall covering, this is a non-woven wall covering that again has been printed in tiles and then put them together. We have here another job of wrapping. We wrap this table with the specific design of the company. When we enter here, we go now into applications of decoration, and we decorated this business with this lampshade, a lampshade that has been created with a backlit textile that has been mounted onto this lampshade. And we also created this canvas over here, canvas that was printed and stretched around the stretching frames. We have also used a very different material. This is a synthetic leather that we printed, and we just created this poof that is really fun and easy to do it. We have also here a light box, a really nice big light box that has been done with a polyester, a backlit polyester material. Take a look at the transitions of the image. Take a look at how vivid are the colors. We have some signs, and we also created an area here specific of wall coverings. Wall coverings done with just color inks, and wall coverings done with white ink. If we take a look at the wall coverings with color inks, we have a textile material, we have a non-woven uncoated material with very nice touch and feel, and with excellent performance with these pastel colors. We have then a woven material and another material here, another woven one. That is with color inks. If we enter here, we have wall coverings with color and white inks. And as you can see over there, we have a cord material that we printed in white spot mode. Then we printed here a metallized material with this excellent effect of the combination between the metallized and the white ink. Over here, we can see also the original material, the white ink, and you can see here the effect of using the white. Here we don't have this metallized material, but over here we have this metallized material because we didn't put white ink here. And then we have here this material that has been designed to write down and erase just afterwards. So this is the applications that we can find into this e-mobility corner. Let's go to the third one. So here we are in the third corner, where we can see a lot of applications for indoor and outdoor. Take a look at this wrapping band. It's a band that has been designed with a wrapping film, printed with the latex and then laminated. Excellent colors and good and smooth colors, because again, there is no cracking when installing that. Then we have here some window graphics that has been installed from the outside, and therefore we use the white underfoot mode, and window graphics that we install from the inside of the window, and therefore we use the white overflow mode. We can also see here some signs hanging from the ceiling, signs printed on paper, signs printed on a textile, signs printed on a canvas type of material, as well as different banners and other materials hanging from the ceiling and close to the wall. We can see over there also the quality on a typical self-adhesive vinyl, tarnishing colors, very saturated colors. And also we have here one light box that has been done with a textile material with excellent colors. Together with that, again, the wall also created with a wall covering printed with this HP Latex 630 printer, and big applications like this backlit with the PET, and this other sign created with a textile. Here we can see also another example of a wrapping film that in fact was printed with white ink. It's printed on a transparent material with white ink, and we wrap this metallized bin to see the effect of the metal combined with the white. Let's go now to another area, which is the window graphics area. So here we have an area where we use a lot of white ink. Here we have a black van that we wrap with a transparent material with white ink to preserve the original black color of our van. Let's take a look at this area over here, which is probably the most interesting one when we talk about whites, and that's the window graphics area. We start with window graphics with just one layer, which is known as white spot. In this case, we printed with just white ink, white spot, to have this nice sign that we are going to install from the outside of the window. We also use here white spot mode to print this dusted material. In this case, although we see color ink is still a spot white. Where we have white, we don't have color. Where we have color, we don't have white ink. And again, that's spot white, just one layer. Over here, you can also see another example of white spot. In this case, we have a red self-adhesive vinyl, which we printed with white ink, white spot, because we really want to have a white with a lot of density. We were using here the 260% of white ink to have this nice contrast between the white and the red. So that was the story of the one layer of the spot white. Let's go now to the story of the two layers. In this case, I can touch physically this window graphic. That means that this has been installed from the outside of the window. Here we use two layers under fluid. First the white and then the color on top. Over here, I don't have access to the image. The image is inside the window, and this has been printed in two layers, being the first one the color and the second one the white. Let's take a look now at other combinations, other possibilities of window graphics. And that's what we have over here. This is an interesting story where you can see first the typical perforated white vinyl for windows. This has been installed from the outside. It is just a white perforated material that we just painted with color ink. But in these two cases, I don't have access to the material. The material has been installed from the inside of the window. And that's a huge advantage because people is not going to scratch it from the street. And also, if I need an installation, I don't need a crane. I can just take the elevator and install it from the inside. In this case, I was just using two layers, being first the layer of white and then the layer of black on top. And in this case, I was using three layers, which means that I was painting first the color, this is what you see, then the white, and then the black, to have the effect that we need on these perforated self-adhesive materials. The material here is a transparent perforated self-adhesive vinyl. And again, this is a three layers, as well as this one over here. This is a three layers window graphic in order to see the same image from the inside and from the outside. So this was the last example of an application that we created at Peacock Imaging, in this case with white ink. So hopefully that was interesting to you. Have a great day.